Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is sequence and series, and the question is about functional equation based on series. Similar questions appeared in JEE Main 2023 and 21. A function fx is given where x is real. We have to find the value of this summation. In this question, the summation is from k equals 1 to k equals 81. So the summation identity fx plus f of 1 minus x equals 1, that is first term and the last term equals 1, seems to be working. So let us see if this property works here. Fx given is 2 power x upon 2 power x plus root 2. This is the first term, and the last term 1 minus x will be 2 power 1 minus x upon 2 power 1 minus x plus root 2, 2 upon 2 power x upon 2 upon 2 power x plus root 2, 2 upon 2 power x upon 2 plus root 2, 2 power x upon 2 power x. Cancelling 2 power x, f of 1 minus x will be 2 upon 2 plus root 2 into 2 power x. Dividing numerator and denominator by root 2, f 1 minus x will be 2 upon root 2 upon 2 upon root 2 plus root 2 gets cancelled, 2 power x. Now we calculate f of x plus f of 1 minus x. This one 2 power x upon 2 power x plus root 2 plus root 2 upon root 2 plus 2 power x. That will be 2 power x plus root 2 upon 2 power x plus root 2, which equals 1. So we have established this identity. Now let us see how we can apply this identity to this summation. Summation from k equals 1 to 81 f k by 82, which is f 1 by 82 plus f 2 by 82 plus so and so forth, plus f 40 by 82 plus f 41 by 82 plus f 42 by 82 plus so and so forth, plus f 80 by 82 plus f 81 by 82. If we add this first term and this last term, we will get f 1 by 82 plus f 81 by 82. It will be if 1 by 82 plus f 1 minus 1 by 82. That will be, according to this identity, 1. Similarly, we can add this second term from start and this second term from last. We will have f2 by 82 plus f 80 by 82 equals 1 as per the identity. So we can go on like that and reach this f40 upon 82 plus this 42 upon 82, giving us 1. So finally we are left with this middle term f 41 by 82. So we get an unpaired term when k is 41. So f 41 by 82 will be f of half. Using this established identity, when x equals half, we can have f half plus f 1 minus half, which equals 1, and this f half plus f half will be 2 half equals 1, gives f half equals half. Finally, we will sum everything together and write s equals, there are these 40 terms, sum of each pair being 1 everywhere, plus the middle term half here, gives 81 upon 2. Hence, the correct answer here is option B, 81 upon 2. This one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.